Mr. Air Heating and Cooling is the name to remember for dependable, reliable, and trustworthy HVAC services in Maple, Ontario. Our team of certified HVAC technicians have been skillfully trained in the installation and repair of cooling and heating systems. We also specialize in duct cleaning and can provide emergency air conditioner repair and furnace repair services as well. No matter the age, architectural style, or size of your home, we'll keep you comfortable all year round. Mr. Air Heating and Cooling has been providing customers with the highest quality HVAC services at the most competitive rates in the industry for years. We believe in providing a more personal approach by focusing on the individual customer and their particular project. Our technicians pride themselves on arriving at the job promptly and providing a superior level of service. Contact us today in Maple, Ontario to learn more.